Hi,
And welcome to Marc on Sailing.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Marc.
Last time, Mark showed you how to calculate your course over ground. This time, Mark is going to show you how to plot your course on a map, similar to the video on courses we did. Furthermore, he's going to explain how to calculate the course you have to sail on your compass if you know your true course from your map. So, without further ado, handing off to you, Mark.
So we have our position here at 11:24 and the course of 164.7. Same procedure like in the last video. Moving from 164 is somewhere this direction. We're moving from the west to the east. We use the black numbers. Again, we put the 0 on the meridian and then 164.7 also on the meridian, like this. And then we have to move it to our position. And then again, we draw a line. And above the line, we add our arrow. And now, if you want to be completely clear, you put the charted course inside the gap and in brackets the course which is on your compass. So you have again both on the chart. You only need to look at the chart and know everything you have to know. 162 degrees in brackets, and that's it. If it's now the other way around, that you have a course in your chart, for example you're planning a voyage and you know you want to go from your position here to start point, to anchor there in the bay. You take your ruler, plot this course on the chart, like this. Then you measure it on the next meridian, moving from east to west, so the red numbers, which is exactly 310 degrees. You go back, put an arrow, put the 310 degrees inside the gap, but we don't have the course we have to steer with our compass. So it's still no use to us because we cannot say we're steering now 310 degrees without having done the calculation back to our compass course. We have 310 degrees course over ground which we have to steer. Now we say we have the same situation. The drift angle is the same, -3 degrees, and the leeway angle is the same, +5 degrees. Magnetic variation is the same. And now, that's important, the deviation will not be the same. The deviation changes upon which course you are steering. So you have to look now inside your deviation table with your magnetic course, which we will calculate, and then you can get out of the table the magnetic deviation. So let's start from the bottom. Now, first time we were calculating from up, down, which means the pluses and minuses stay the same. We add every time we calculate, we add the number. So we add here +2, here we add -1.3, and here we add +5, and here we add -3. If we're going from bottom up, it changes. If we have here -3, we calculate -3, which means plus. So in the end we have here 313 degrees, and you can check it back. If you go from up to the bottom, 313 plus -3 is 310. Then we have +5 changes -5, and then we have 308 degrees. -1.3 changes to +1.3 is 309.3. Now we take this 309.3, go to our deviation table, find out what's the deviation. I did this, it's minus 1.6. Now we add it again and we have a compass course of 310.9 degrees. That's the course we have to steer on our magnetic compass to get to the start point Bay, and that's what we also had here on the chart. As you see here, the difference is only a few degrees, but if your magnetic compass is not well adjusted or you have high drift angles or high magnetic variations, the difference can be about 20 degrees, so it's absolutely necessary to do these calculations to be safe during navigation.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like, maybe even subscribe, and you can follow us on Facebook, links down in the description below. As always, fair winds to you.